What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the other side of meme coins that actually print a shit ton of money. And no, I am not talking about trading meme coins. I'm talking about debbing the actual coins. This exact approach has made me a lot of fucking money in the millions of dollars, and most people are still not doing it. If you want to understand how it really works, watch till the end, bro, because you will learn a brand new strategy. Are you done losing money on meme coins by trading them? Well, I was too. So I started launching them instead, and that is where everything changed. Stay with me. I will show you guys exactly how to get dev tokens and make some generational wealth. Now, most losses in meme coins do not come from bad luck, but for example, they come from trading the actual coin. Why? Most people buy into these charts hoping to make money, but the person who actually launched the coin takes all their profits from them. That is why most KOLs and most experienced traders on X are pivoting to launching these coins instead. It's low risk and it's high reward and genuinely enjoyable. When you trade meme coins, you are funding the people who created them, as I said, but when you launch your own coins, you become the creator and you control the entire play. You are profiting from every single transaction. The process is straightforward. You just find a narrative, put the token live, and allow buyers to buy in. And then after that, when the moment feels right, bang, you exit your position. Launching has become the new meta because creating a meme coin on-chain costs virtually $0. It's basically nothing. That is exactly how I built my crypto portfolio from $0 to hundreds and thousands of dollars all through this year from 2025 to 2026. So stay locked in because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first token and potentially turn it into real profits, bro. This is going to be actually insane. When someone prepares to launch their first meme coin, the platform that they usually default to is Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure you guys know this by now. It's the most visible option, so it feels like the most obvious move, but that is where people make a mistake. Pump.Fun is overloaded and new tokens go live constantly, and most of them disappear almost instantly. That is why I despise launching on this launchpad. If you are still launching here, you are not really building anything. You are just waiting and hoping for a bit of luck, and it gets even worse. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a portion of your creator fees. So right from the start, you are giving up control of your own project if you launch here. And as a dev bro, the real objective is getting your token in front of the random DEX where real liquidity and real volume are resting. And for that to happen, bro, your coin needs to reach around $55,000, which is almost impossible on Pump.Fun. It takes too long and you have to depend way too much on luck. That's why I switched to Solana tokenlabs.io because this launchpad removes all of those limits. Your token launches straight onto the random DEX, immediately skipping the entire bonding curve. You're getting shown in front of a bunch of traders right away, okay? And you get a real edge, and most importantly, bro, you control your liquidity 100%. That's why people are quietly gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, let me walk you through exactly how you launch a coin on this launchpad. There are two ways to create a token here, and which one you go with depends on your strategy. Honestly, at your liking, the first approach is launching a coin completely from scratch. Right here, this starts with the concept. You want a narrative that already has attention. So scroll through X, browse Reddit, go on Google News, and look for a narrative that is trending. Anything that's already currently trending works. A viral tweet breaking political news, a meme gaining traction if people are talking about it, it is usable. Anyways, once you've locked in a narrative, come back to the website. I use Solana tokenlab.io for this because it's the fastest, but the key is having all your parameters ready before you start. So the name for me is going to be Pixel Pepe, symbol is going to be Pixel. For the logo, I use ChatGPT for this. I just type this simple prompt, create a 1x1 pixel art style logo of Pepe the Frog wearing retro gaming sunglasses, 8-bit aesthetic, vibrant colors, no text, me Mabel style. And it came up with this. It's perfect. So add the logo here. Decimals, I'm going to go with 9. And for the supply, I'm going to go with 1 billion. So that's 1 and 9 zeros. For the description, I went with this. Pixel Pepe has arrived, combining the legendary Pepe meme with retro gaming nostalgia. This isn't just another meme coin, it's a journey back to the golden age of gaming. Join the Pixel army and level up your portfolio, and a bunch of hashtags. And now, these revoke options, I'm enabling all of them. This is super important because if you don't enable them, you'll have a bunch of warnings on all platforms like DexWinner and BullX. All of those people see those warnings and they won't buy, so always enable these revoke options. So just hit create token, accept the transaction, and don't worry about this warning. Phantom shows this by default on all websites. So just click confirm, wait for it, and boom, our token is now created. I'm gonna copy this token address here because we're gonna need it later in the video. Well, now you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done by just going to solanatokenlabs.io. You will see an option to create liquidity on the website. If you see on the above website, it will direct you to Raydium because it is more popular. I click create, select standard, and a page opens with the creation of a liquidity pool. I'm going to go with 90% of the supply. That's 900 million tokens. Why 90%? Because I want to keep 10% for myself. That's my potential profit if this thing takes off. For the code token, I'm gonna go with 0.5 SOL. Now listen, this doesn't have to be exactly 0.5. You can use 0.3, 0.7, 0.1, whatever you have. The key is just getting the pool started. The actual amount doesn't matter as much as people think. This initial liquidity sets your starting price, but the market will determine the real price within minutes of launch. So don't overthink it. So just click initialize liquidity pool, accept the transaction, wait a few seconds. There we go. Our pool is now created. Look at this. Our token is officially live and tradable. If you go to Photon right now, look at this. Here's our token. And so I'm going straight to promotememes.com. Time is everything here. I'm pasting the token address here. And for the promotion type, I'm going with the advanced. The free plan just doesn't create enough buzz. If you're serious about this, go with the advanced. So click promote Memecoin, accept the transaction. We're live for the next 3 hours. Our token gets promoted automatically across Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and more. This is what would take me hours to do manually, so now we just have to wait and see what results we get after the 3 hours. So I'm pausing the recording and I'll be back once the promotion is done. Alright, the promotion is done and holy moly, the numbers are insane. Look at this, our coin reached 151,000 market cap. Just absolutely wild. I've seen this happen so many times. First hour is kind of quiet, second hour some people jump in, third hour full on FOMO. Well, if I remove the liquidity now, I will get about 133.02. Solana, that's okay, very good profit. Look how well this token flies to the moon. Well, now I look at my position in the portfolio and I see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, you need to click remove liquidity, select 100% and click remove liquidity. Solana will be in your wallet. Well, that's a good profit. I will take it now. I click remove liquidity, okay? I see my tokens return to the wallet. So I sign the transition and that's it. And the liquidity is removed. Now look, this isn't a get rich quick scheme. Some launches will fail completely, others will exceed your expectations. That's just the nature of this game. But if you follow this system, pick good concepts, launch fast, use smart automation, and take profits strategically, you'll be playing at a completely different level than most people. The key is understanding that speed beats perfection, automation beats manual work, and taking profits beats hoping for more. Now, obviously, this is all educational. I'm just saying what works for me. You make your own decisions. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. See ya.